Hello traders and welcome to this week's market outlook from Exness. I'm Michael Stark, financial content leader, and here I'm going to be giving an idea for trading Bitcoin, some of the narratives that are behind the possible movement by Bitcoin, and what traders who were to take the position would need to be aware of. But before that, let's look back at the performance of last week's idea. Last week, the idea was a potential buy for American light oil from the area around $67 with a target of about $70. The idea was fully accurate, with the price having moved up to trade around $71.50 now. The idea for this week is a possible buy for Bitcoin. We can see that the price appears to have shaken out of the recent range and then retraced slightly lower. It's possible that with the right backing from fundamentals, it could continue upward. The initial target would seem to be the area of the all-time high, around 73,500, but it's possible that if the narratives support, the price could continue up all the way to around $82,000 in the medium to longer term. Now, the primary narrative driving the possible movement upward by Bitcoin is the likelihood or possibility that Donald Trump could win the American election. It's an extremely close election based on polling, and it also comes in the context of many cyclical instruments having done better recently. Now, the primary factor to be watched by traders this week is, of course, the American elections, but traders should also monitor closely the meeting of the Fed on Thursday. It's very important to watch, in particular, the press conference to see what comments there might be about the trajectory of rates early next year. In summary, the idea for this week is a potential buy for Bitcoin with an initial target around an all-time high of 73,500. Primary narrative driving the possible movement upward by Bitcoin is the potential for Donald Trump to win the election, and what traders would need to be aware of apart from the results of the election is the Fed's meeting happening on Thursday night. Please remember, this is just an idea for a trade. It's not a signal, it's not a guarantee of success, and especially in a week with both an election and the meeting of the Fed, it's critical to manage risk.